What if I told you that the tire shop is hiding a secret that could save you hundreds of dollars? Most drivers walk into a tire store, see the big names, and immediately assume the expensive option must be better. So they spend $800, $1,000, sometimes even $1,500 on a set of tires. But here's the truth. Some of the best value tires on the market are sitting right next to those premium brands for nearly half the price. And many of them are made by the exact same parent companies. Today, I'm revealing 4 budget tire brands that most drivers completely ignore, but smart buyers are using them to save up to $500 per set without sacrificing safety, comfort, or durability. Let's get started. Brand number 4, Laufenn. If you've never heard of Laufenn, you're not alone. Most drivers walk right past them because they don't recognize the name. But here's what tire stores don't always tell you. Laufenn is owned by Hankook, one of the largest tire manufacturers in the world. The company uses much of the same engineering expertise and manufacturing experience that made Hankook successful. The result? A tire that often costs 20 to 30% less than comparable premium models. Many drivers report surprisingly quiet road noise, solid wet weather grip, and respectable tread life. For commuters and family vehicles, Laufenn can be one of the smartest purchases available. Brand number 3, General Tire. General Tire has been around for more than a century, yet many buyers still overlook it. The reason? It doesn't spend billions on flashy advertising. But General Tire is actually backed by Continental, one of the most respected tire companies in the industry. Many of General's tires deliver excellent all-season traction and dependable performance at a significantly lower price point. If you're driving a sedan, crossover, or pickup truck, General Tire often provides nearly premium-level performance without the premium-level price tag. That's money staying in your wallet. Brand number 2, Kumho. For years, Kumho has quietly built a reputation among mechanics and informed tire shoppers. While some drivers focus only on famous brands, Kumho has consistently delivered impressive value. Its tires frequently perform well in wet conditions, provide comfortable ride quality, and offer competitive tread warranties. What's even more impressive is the price. In many cases, a set of Kumho tires can cost hundreds, less than major premium competitors. For drivers looking for dependable everyday performance, Kumho is often one of the best bargains in the entire tire market. Brand number 1, Cooper. And the number 1 hidden gem is Cooper. This brand has developed a loyal following for one simple reason: value. Cooper tires consistently deliver strong performance, reliable durability, and comfortable ride characteristics. Many drivers find that Cooper provides 90% of the real-world performance of premium tires at a fraction of the cost. For daily commuting, road trips, and family vehicles, that's an incredibly attractive deal. You may not get the prestige of a luxury tire brand, but your wallet certainly won't care. The 4 checks smart tire buyers always use. Now here's the part most people miss. Even the best budget tire isn't a bargain if it's the wrong tire. Before buying any tire, always check these 4 things. Check number 1, tire age. Look at the DOT date code. Avoid buying tires that have been sitting in a warehouse for years. Fresh rubber generally performs better and lasts longer. Check number 2, tread wear rating. Compare tread wear numbers. Higher ratings often indicate longer-lasting tires, although driving habits still matter. Check number 3, load and speed ratings. Make sure the tire matches your vehicle's requirements. A cheaper tire isn't a deal if it doesn't meet manufacturer specifications. Check number 4, real customer reviews. Ignore marketing claims. Look for feedback from actual drivers who have used the tires for thousands of miles. Real-world experience often reveals far more than advertisements. Final thoughts. The biggest mistake tire buyers make is assuming expensive automatically means better. In reality, some lesser-known brands are delivering outstanding performance for dramatically less money. Brands like Laufenn, General Tire, Kumho, and Cooper have helped thousands of drivers save hundreds of dollars while still enjoying safe and dependable transportation. The next time you shop for tires, don't focus only on the logo. Focus on value, because the smartest tire purchase isn't always the most expensive one. It's the one that gives you the most performance for every dollar spent. If this video helped you save money, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tire brand has surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.